Hello and welcome to my new video which is based on the section formula in coordinate geometry. So let us suppose you have 2 points A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. And let us suppose another point xy lies between A and B which cut AB interiorly. Then and this divides the line segment AB into n1 ratio n2. Then you can calculate this point by using section formula, which is for x coordinate n1 x2 plus n2 x1 over n1 plus n2. Similarly, if there is need to find out the value of y, then n1 y2 plus n2 y1 over n1 plus n2. Okay, let us take an example, an illustration over it. Here is your A, 2, 3. Here is your B, 4, 5. You have to find out the value of P when it divides the line segment in ratio 2 ratio 3. Then your point is x as 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2 over the sum of the ratios, that means 2 plus 3, 5. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6 over 5, 14 by 5. When there is need to find out the value of y, then what you have to do? n1 y2, that means 2 into 5 plus 3 into 3 over the summation of ratios, that means 5. 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9 over 5, that means 19 by 5. So your point is 14 over 5 and 19 over 5. Okay. Let us take another example in which there is a line segment having these coordinates A and B. A line is there of equation 2x plus 3y equals 5. Your point P is unknown to us. Let us suppose xy. Now what you have to do? Let us suppose your form ratio is k ratio 1. Your ratios are also not given to you. So what you have to do? Firstly, let us suppose the ratio be k ratio 1. And now you have to find out the value of k by putting the value of k into this equation. How can we find out? Listen. According to section formula, your x will be 4k plus 2 ones are 2 over k plus 1. Similarly, your y is m1 y2 5k, 3 ones are 3 over k plus 1. Now as p, the coordinate for p is this 4k plus 2 k plus 1 and 5k plus 3 k plus 1. It satisfies this particular equation of a line. Why? Because p lies over this line. So it satisfies. It will become a solution for this equation. So just substitute the value of x over this and y over it. Okay. So how can we calculate? 2x. X is your 4k plus 2 by k plus 1 plus 3y. Y is 5k plus 3 over k plus 1 equals 5. Alright. Now evaluate it. After taking the LCM as k plus 1 and substitute or taking it into the RHS, then it will become 5 into k plus 1. And solve the LHS value. 4 2s are 8k, 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15k, 3 3s are 9. 8 and 15, 23k, 9 and 4, 13, 5k, 5 ones are 5. It will become 23 minus 5, that means 18. 13 minus 5, that means 8. Now k will becomes minus 8 by 18, That means 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Your ratio is minus 4:9. Minus denotes that this particular point divides a particular line externally. Remember this thing? This is your section formula having the summation sign between the coordinates and the sections when a point divides a line segment internally. Whereas in the case when it divides externally, then the formula becomes n1 x2 minus m2 x1 over n1 minus m2 and n1 by 2 minus m2 y1 over n1 minus m2. I hope you will understand. Now, in our next video, we'll discuss about the rest of the topics of coordinate geometry. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.